look what it is. It's the MiniPet 4080 and rod, future was 8-bit. So yeah, it's finally available for pre-order right now, or order, or back order, depending on how popular this is. Limited number of kits are going to be available, because this is quite an endeavour to do. But, you know, we've got enough. We should have enough. So yeah, this is a self-assembly kit, if you didn't already know. You're going to get a load of parts. You get a manual. I won't show you the front page, because the front page has just been finalised and is at the printers now, but you get a proper manual. Better than this, actually. This was just a quick mock-up for us. But yeah, you get a proper manual, and you have to assemble the whole thing yourself with a soldering iron. So if you can do that, this is the sort of thing for you. So what's different to the old MiniPet? Well, the layout's changed. We've got all the usual stuff, obviously. We've got the IEEE port, we've got the user port, we've got 2 dataset ports with 2 lovely LEDs. We've got the RGBi port, so you can plug in a 1084 monitor and get crispy crisp 80 column. Composite video, much improved composite video. Power, soft power on off. Check that out. Hey, check that out. Yeah, an extra run of buttons here, reset, 48 column, and a menu. So what should we look at first? Well, let's do the 4080. So there we go. Rather than messing around with a bunch of jumpers, one button, you can jump into 80 column mode, flips the ROM, everything all ready to go. Obviously DOS wedge is loaded because we're running 4.1, so we can just go maze with the up arrow, and we should, because it's on the SD card obviously, get the maze demonstration, the random couple of lines. So there we go, there's that. What can we do now? So let's go back, reset back into 40 column mode, because this is where most people will live, and show you the built-in disk browser, as it were. This is built into the firmware. If you open up like a D64 image, you will remain locked in that folder, so it's just a lot easier to work with. You know, trust me, you'll use this and go, that's a good idea. You'll use this new file browser and go, that's really nice. There we go, little graphical demo. I can't tell you how pleased I am with the video. The video was good before, but this is, it's just perfect, you know. I mean, I have got a CRT which makes everything look wonderful. I hope that's capturing all right for you there, but man, the video's good on this one. Let's come back out. Let's go and have a look in. Let's go back into the file browser. Yeah, sorry this is such an ad hoc video, but you know, we're just trying to get this thing out there now, because so many people have asked about it. Oh, we got a Snake game, but let's load Petsky Robots. That's 8-bit guys game. That's a good idea, isn't it? Excellent. Oh, we've got a timer. That's not too bad. So yeah, this is Dave Murray of the 8-bit guy. He did this multi-platform, but obviously this is the pet variant. Check that out. The usual sort of game. You go around avoiding things, collecting things, that sort of stuff. Oh, some sort of garden there, look. Anyway, yeah, obviously this isn't a games review. This is just showing you the new MiniPet 4080 kit. Let's go back to the file menu. This will pop us back into where we were, you see. Quite useful. What now? Let's have a look at... Oh, keep pressing the wrong keys. Pet Synth. Let's have a look at that. Look, Mum, no computer uses this. I don't know how it works. Ah. That's how that works. Excellent. Back to the menu. Yeah. So yeah, you know, a lot of work's gone into this kit. You know, I really hope you people enjoy this. Oh yeah, that's something worth showing you, but I'll do it in 80 column mode because it looks nicer. It's got a built-in diagnostic, which looks quite fancy. So let's load that, and we'll end this short video like this. But yeah, the MiniPet 4080 kit is available to pre-order now. Expecting to be shipping in a week or two. It is June the 8th or 9th or something like that now. All of the electronics in stock. We're just waiting for the boring stuff, e.g. some packaging and the final version of the manuals to be printed, which I'm actually hoping to get today or tomorrow or the day after, actually. But yeah, what more can I say? MiniPet 4080, please enjoy.